Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, got to get used to this time change. Shooting videos late at night. I got to figure out a new plan here. Hey, a couple things on the agenda tonight. Let me tell you about upcoming. We just getting ready to open the nominations for some leadership positions on our board, and we've got 2 or 3 new area governors that in a week or so I'll be announcing all those appointments as well. So just a lot of exciting things as we go off into the next coming year, 2023, with Florida Suncoast. It's been an exciting year, a year that we've seen a lot of growth and a lot of activities happen, and we have some more on slate. Some really cool news as we continue to grow and develop and do some neat things here with the chapter. So thank you to all those folks that have stepped up, put their names on the list. You will serve in some capacity. I promise you. We have a lot of things going on, and we need a lot of volunteers to help make that happen. So thank you to the folks that have put your step forward, put their name on the line for us. A couple of things. Let me just tell you, we're back. I promised myself I'd never use this word again, but I guess I'm gonna have to in the description. Post-COVID. We are now opening up and trying to get back to a regular schedule. Our end of the year luncheon or dinner, we're not quite sure what it's going to be yet. We're working out the numbers. Our senior board member, Russ Garvey, is doing the drill down as we speak. I think the date is going to be January 21st. We're negotiating, doing the final negotiations for the event. And it should be a really cool event. Russ doesn't do anything halfway. He puts his whole heart into it, and so I think it's going to be a really cool event as we get ready for it. So got that coming up. Sebring is just around the corner as we speak. I think we're about 2 weeks out for Sebring, December the 3rd. So remember, with Sebring, you have 2 things to do. You have to RSVP to the FSC board, and then you also are FSC RSVP, and then you have to purchase your ticket across the HSR line. So make sure you purchase the Saturday corral ticket. That will make sure that you get into the corral and that you get to drive on the track. I think they're only $30, so it's not much. Actually, I think it's maybe even a little bit less than what we did the last time we did this. I think this is our 11th year going, and we already have a crowd of people coming, so come on. Apparently you folks are not afraid of my cooking, so we're gonna have lunch out there. We're gonna have a great time. It's always great to get together with the Sebring folks. You'll get a special email from me once we get a little bit closer to it, talk about touring, who's gonna drive out, how we're gonna get there from all the different locations around the state. So look forward to that. If you're not a part of it, come on and jump on the bus. Gus, it's going to be fun. We always have a great time at Sebring, and you get total access to all the track, to the paddocks, to the cars. You can get right to the pits. You can see the track from any vantage point you want to. You're not limited where you can go on the track to see the races, and you're going to see cars that are legacy cars you'll never see race again are on the track here in all different classes and across several different decades of legacies. So for $30, you can't go anywhere and get a great hamburger like I'm gonna cook, or you can't see the amazing cars. And in turns 15 and 16, we are right there at the action, at the S-curve, just before they take those straightaways. So we have some great opportunities for some awesome photographs. So come on out and join us at Sebring. And then we have our regulars that are going on. Please check all the RSVPs down below. If you're traveling around the state on any given time, we are now, we've got multiple events on the same days going on sometimes. You get a chance to choose what you want to do and where you want to be, or if you're going to be somewhere, you've got other opportunities. So check it out. The area governors are really working hard for you. We're planning, in fact, I just talked to her today by email. There's a lot of plans up in that Gainesville, Villages, Ocala area. It's just going to come online really quick, so looking forward to that. Same thing for Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda area. We're going to be coming online, and hopefully we're going to be coming online down in the Naples-Marco area as well. So I know we have a lot of members down there that are looking for activities that they don't have to drive very far. So hopefully this will really come home for us. So as always, a lot to do, a lot to see. Make sure you check the links down below and get your RSVP in. And until then, we're going to say, hey guys, happy motoring. Happy Thanksgiving as well. Talk to you soon. See ya.